When you're towing your home away from home, getting the setup right matters. Whether it's a weekend escape or the big lap, arriving level makes all the difference. With Polyair, leveling your Caravan on-site is quicker, easier, and more reliable, wherever the road takes you.
G'day, Bo from Polyair RV here. We've got our little Vista crossover and we've pulled over at a great little riverside campsite, and I'm pretty level front to back, but side to side's pretty horrendous. So we're gonna have a quick crack here just off the Polyair remote, just to level here before I pop the roof and everything up and actually choose to set up and consider getting into it. So we're just gonna have a quick look here. If I drop the right-hand side down, we're about 60. So I'm just gonna drop down to about 15 on that other side and see if we can level that up.
Level in minutes. Packed up and ready to roll, no ramps, no hassles. Polyair makes towing simpler so you can focus on the journey. Lift the load, love the road. Polyair RV.